Hello everyone, this video is going to talk about how to swap the main IC on the PCB board to rescue a hard drive. The PCB board is a very important part of a hard drive. If the PCB board is damaged, we have to repair or replace the PCB board to rescue the hard drive. For example, for data recovery purpose. Some damaged PCB boards are repairable, but if the PCB boards are not repairable, replacing or swapping the PCB board becomes the only one option left to rescue the hard drive. In order to replace the PCB board, we have to find a donor PCB board and make a cloned PCB board. Then the cloned PCB board can work on the original hard drive. The modern hard drive PCB board are not like before. Back to the old days, an old hard drive PCB board with just some or many electronic components on a circuit board. The modern hard drive PCB board is a small intelligent computer which has everything as a computer does, except no mouse, no keyboard, no screen. On the hard drive PCB board, there is a BIOS, which is same as a computer's BIOS. In this hard drive PCB board BIOS, the hard drive stored the hard drive's own unique configuration data. This is the key information to run the hard drive. In other words, without this unique configuration data, or if the configuration data is not correct, the hard drive will not work properly. There are some kind of hard drive PCB board, their BIOS data is integrated into the main IC, like a WD10EADS PCB board. The according hard drives are 500 gigabytes, 640 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, etc. Because the BIOS data is integrated into the main IC, so we have to swap the main IC to the donor board to make a cloned PCB board. The main IC pins are normally more than 200 on the 4 sides. The distance between the pins is less than 0.8 millimeters. The pin width is less than 0.3 millimeters. The bottom is soldered to the PCB board. This picture above shows how the main IC swapping works. On the left-hand side is a damaged PCB board. Not only the components, but the circuit board is damaged as well. It is almost impossible to repair it. The main IC on the bad board is okay. On the right-hand side is a donor board. We swap the main IC from the bad board to the good donor board. The rest of this video is going to take WD hard drive as an example to talk about the procedure of how to swap the main IC on the PCB board to rescue a hard drive. What is the function of a hard drive circuit board? The hard drive circuit board is also called hard drive PCB board, hard drive motherboard, hard drive controller board. The function of a hard drive circuit board is to control and operate the hard drive. What is the circuit board number? The circuit board number is the circuit board ID number. As long as this number is same, the boards are same in hardware. For this circuit board, the number on the board read as 2060-701640-000. The number on the sticker read as 2061-701640. You may ignore the rest. Where to find the circuit board number? The circuit board number can be found on the white sticker or on the green circuit board, as the picture shows. What is the circuit board main IC? The main IC is the main chip on the circuit board, who controls all other chips. What is the circuit board firmware? The circuit board firmware is also called circuit board BIOS, which is the hard drive's basic input-output system. Where is the circuit board BIOS? For this circuit board, the BIOS is integrated in the main IC. This picture is illustrated how the BIOS transfer works if the BIOS is integrated into the main IC. On the left-hand side is the damaged PCB board. In the blue circle, you can see the big damage. Many components are burned, and the PCB board is burned as well. The main IC is missing. Actually, it is desoldered out to move to the donor board. On the right-hand side is the donor board. The main IC in the red circle is from the bad PCB board. This method is only suitable for the PCB board BIOS is integrated into the main IC. Some PCB board BIOS is integrated into the main IC. Some PCB board BIOS are in the 1/2 memory chips. They are independent. If you want to know how about your PCB board BIOS, how to do the BIOS transfer on your PCB board, please go to www.hdd-parts.com. Input your PCB board number. There are a lot of free tutorials to tell you how to do the BIOS transfer and how to rescue your hard drive by swapping the PCB board. How to order the circuit board? Go to www.hdd-parts.com. In the search box, input the board number, then click on search. Now you find the board for your hard drive. Please read the description and follow the instructions. How to ship the bad board to do the circuit board firmware transfer. 1. Put the bad board in a bubble mailer. 2. Customs declaration. Item name, bad hard drive circuit board. Item value, $5. You need to fill a circuit board firmware transfer form. The form can be found in the item description. Please print out and fill the form and ship it together with the board. This is how the clients ship their circuit board to us. 1. Print out our shipping address on the envelope. 2. The client's shipping address. 3. Print out the circuit board from a transfer form and ship the form together with the board. 4. Customs declaration. Item name, bad hard drive circuit board. Item value, $5. Receive the donor board. We use the professional box to ship the donor board to our clients. We use the static bag to protect the board. We offer worldwide free shipping. We carry old brand name hard drive circuit board, from the very old to the latest. If you cannot find the correct donor board, you may take pictures of the hard drive and the circuit board. Email to us. We will find the correct board or the best solution for you. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.